What's good, Work That fam? Hey y'all, it's your girl Work That Cass, and today guys we are shooting the performance video for my EP Fun. I'm so excited. Let's get it. So I just laid out wardrobe for the 5 songs that I will be performing in this video. So for the first song, Heist, I have to go with the black blazer look. This is actually the same look on the album covers, so your girl had to rock it. The blazer is from Pretty Little Thing. Also pretty much everything is from Pretty Little Thing. So this is a tan set that I'm gonna wear for the second song, What a Girl Want. Then we have this kind of black corset set, also Pretty Little Thing. I'm gonna wear it with my long black cloak from ASOS for Duh. For Can't Relate, we're gonna wear this white set with a white button down from ASOS. White sets from Pretty Little Thing for Can't Relate. That'll be paired with my Target shades. The tan set, I'll be wearing this bucket hat that I got from Target as well. Alright, so now I'm gonna pack everything, pack props, equipment, and then we'll get ready for the shoot.
It kinda sucks how you really just don't get it, do ya? Need me to tell you.
Alright, so we're all packed. I moved everything downstairs so I don't have to sweat my makeup out. And yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. Make sure you guys check out my Get Readies with me on TikTok where we kind of have girl chat, life catch-ups, all that good stuff. Alright, so I'm all ready. I'm running a little behind, but we're headed to Target now because I want to pick up a disposable camera that I got to shoot some behind the scenes. And yeah, we'll get going. Camera secured. Let's head to the studio.
Every little thing wrong you be doing. My time is way too precious to be wasted on you. So I'm just gonna make my way to something new. It's kinda funny when you try to tell me what to do. Yeah, you really lost it in that money, else it just won't too far.
Alright y'all, so we're at the studio. I'm just gonna list out all the shots that I need. I'm waiting on my friend Amir. He's gonna come help me. You guys have seen him help in a lot of videos. Shout out to him. It's hot in here, and I'm finished getting ready in this look, and we'll get to go.
Me, you see, I got like 1, 2, 3 times 5 on my tying about my time. All a girl wants is a world full of choice with a whole lot of love and a sign from above. Sprinkle on that affection, dump on all the attention.
Alright y'all, so we just finished the first 2 songs, but someone has the studio booked for the next hour, so we're gonna go real quick. I'm gonna choreograph, let down my twist, and get ready for part 2, the last 3 songs.
I'm way too bad and the best you ever had. Promise you won't get too mad when I'm rising above the fat. You love me now, you won't want me now. Well, come a little closer, let me tell you all about it. All right, to you and me, feel free to see.
I believe that is what you call a wrap to the shoot. Shout out to Amir for getting great footage for us. Check out his YouTube channel. Psych! So I decided I'm gonna reshoot gold because it wasn't really fitting my vibe. Coco, you could be a star too. You're next in line to the throne. So we're just gonna use a white sheet. And then I just have these clear push pins to hang it up. Literally $2. I always like to recommend sticking the push pin through the fabric first and then putting it onto the wall. Makes your life a lot easier. Somebody likes the set. Said it's time for me to shine. So we're about to get ready. Today y'all are gonna run with me on YouTube. Switch it up, landscape style, baby. Alright, let's put this hair back. I still haven't decided exactly what I want to do with my hair yet. I either want it big or I want it like literally slicked, the slick back. We might go with big because I don't want to put a lot of product in my hair. I need it to survive for the work week. So I use Collab for my Fundamental Hydrating Primer. Honestly, I think this was like a product I got in college when I used to be somewhat of a beauty influencer that was sent to me because I've never actually purchased primer before. And my dog is messing up the set. What are you doing? You're lucky you're so adorable. First, let's go for the brows. I use Dip Brow just because I had a long time ago, like in probably like my freshman year, sophomore year of college. I had my friend and a makeup artist come over and literally teach me how to do my makeup. So they did half my face and I did the other half, and so they taught me with Dip Brow, so I've just been pretty much on Dip Brow ever since. But this is the Ardell Dark Brown. Not Ardell, actually. Ardell was the version they taught me with. I'm pretty sure this is like the upgraded Anastasia version. But y'all, when I literally tell you like half the makeup they showed me how to use, in college, which was like 8 years ago, I still have. That's how little I've done my makeup. I'm not an eyebrow expert, but I do love how my eyebrows come out, especially after a fresh wax. I think the biggest thing that helped me with learning makeup was learning that I could make mistakes, and literally that's why they invented makeup remover and makeup wipes and concealer, because you can make as many mistakes as you want and then just cover them up until you make less and less mistakes as time goes on. Coco, again, I just don't want her to pull it down and stab herself. Coco, stop. That is not a bed. She said this is where I shall rest my head. I feel like wide lens is not a good lens to do makeup with. I'm thinking I'm gonna play around with my Morphe times Nyan. I hope that's how I pronounce her name. Fierce Fairy Tale palette. One of my mini 2 palettes, and I'm just gonna play around with like these combos. So I think I'm gonna go with this chai latte, please, and we're going in the fall too. It's interesting. You'll see that? It's nice. So I'm gonna go into the crease with Baby Bell. Do I know what going into the crease means exactly? Not necessarily. Is that normal? Need more chai latte. I'm gonna top it all off with Booby here. Boo Ambi, what's it called? And now I'm gonna blend it with number 13, I believe, in my NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, which would be this gold Baby Red here. I'm gonna take my Almay palette, and then I'm just gonna corner it out in my eye, just to get that little glisten. I need to see this with a portrait lens. God. So my secret to a wing, which I don't know if it's so secret, but basically I start with the outside of the wing and I don't go as far as I plan to because I'm probably gonna mess up. So I literally, like, this wing I want to be a little bit profound, so I'm literally gonna start like as close in as possible just so that I can add to it as time goes on, because it's gonna be, usually my first stroke is a little thicker than I want it to be. So that's why I don't start, like, if I want my wing to start here, I'm gonna start here just so I can get that first stroke in. Take that stroke now, almost like that's my wing, and bring it all the way down the eye. So now I'm actually coming out with how far I want the real wing to be. Now for the most fun thing in the world, lashes. Ardell 113 Black. I literally grabbed this pack from Target. So I'm using this duo, the duo glue. For some reason it's black. Oh, it does say dark tone. I learned this tactic from someone on YouTube, I don't remember who, but they put the mirror under their eye. Changes. Okay, lash uno. Lashes on. I always get so excited once the eyes are done, man. I'm like so hype. I don't want to overdo it. Like, I don't want to put foundation everywhere, and I don't need it everywhere. I'm not Jasmine. So this is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer in Warm Honey. This is the Morphe Filter Effects. This is actually concealer, which I bought to be concealer and I realized it was too dark. So now I use it as my foundation cream. So I just got the Black Opoly True Color Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation with SPF. I didn't even know I have SPF yet, so girl. And I have it in all chocolate. I think my first foundation was like a Fit Me stick. Let's blend this, baby. To me right now. Blending, 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 blending. Like I ain't never blended before. I've been doing a lot of life catch-ups though. Might get ready with me on TikTok. So if you guys want to know what's up with your gal, head over to TikTok, yo. I'm loving this short form content. Like, literally this YouTube video, before I realized I wanted to reshoot gold, was initially gonna be like 5 minutes, like the entire video, and I'm like, oh gosh, like I'm so in tune with freaking short form content now. I can't even get out like a 10-minute YouTube video anymore, which is crazy. Now I'm gonna set everything. So I'm using this MAC NW58 powder. I think we bought this initially to be my foundation powder, but then realized it was a bit too dark. Now I'm going with my Laura Mercier powder for my concealer. I feel like I need to like do more today. It's only 1 o'clock and I'm about to have a full face of makeup and nowhere to go. Now on to my Becca highlighter. Now, I remember highlighter used to be the thing. Rihanna came out with that, was it Trophy Wife? Oh my god, everyone was like, going crazy, baby. I feel like my ultimate goal is to get my skin to just look as much like makeup as possible. So just get my lashes naturally long, get my skin naturally clear and even tone, so that makeup I can literally do the bare minimum. So my mom got me this blush. I'm pretty sure she got it from the beauty supply store, but it says Artisan Color Baked Blush. and it's in Raspberry 8312. For foundation, I'm using this Fit Me pressed powder 355 coconut, and I'm gonna use this to pretty much blend everything together. So we're gonna finish it off with my bottom lashes. So I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, which I've just been obsessed with since college. And we're gonna spray with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And then I'm gonna use the Fenty Heat for gloss. This is Gloss Bomb Heat. I did not realize when I bought this that this was lip plumping, and I literally thought I was allergic to it. I was like, what is happening to my lips right now? This is like the only lip gloss I own because I ran out of her other lip gloss that I had, but I thought this looked close to the other one I had, which was like, got it. But I really do like the color. It's working. Alright, on to hair. So I think I want to go with just like the big hair look. Plus my outfit is really neutral, so I just feel like it works. Let's get dressed. Oh, I swear I was like, oh, I did it. I could get any makeup on my outfit. Psych. Okay, I'm hoping this suffices. And y'all won't see my bottoms, so we're gonna keep my sweat shorts on. Alright, so we're pairing this look with the gold mic. Forgot to set up my lights, so let's set that up. I kind of want to sit. I wish I had a stool. Maybe I'll steal one from downstairs. But yeah, let's set up.
I'm loving every second that I get to spend with me now. All a girl wants is a world full of tricks with a whole lot of love and a sign from above. Sprinkle on that affection. Don't want all the attention.
Anyways, that is what I call rap. And that is what I call rap. Hey y'all, so I'm editing, and after all that, I've decided to just go with the original version of gold. Hopefully it rubs off on me, but I think it's still better than the reshoot. So we're gonna go with the original version, but this just comes to show that, you know, you may put a lot of work into something and not end up using it, and that's just the creative process in general. But hope you guys enjoyed.